Weight loss can be tough, but what if a simple, refreshing drink could make it easier? Discover how detox water, packed with natural flavors and nutrients, might be the key to quickly shedding those extra pounds and transforming your body. Can this simple drink be the secret to your rapid weight loss? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Clean Hydration. Today in this video, we will discuss a miracle water type, Detox Water Simple Recipe for Rapid Weight Loss. Weight loss is a challenge many people face, often feeling overwhelmed by the endless diets and strenuous exercise routines. But what if there was a simpler way? Detox Water, a refreshing drink infused with fruits, vegetables, and herbs, has gained popularity for its potential to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and aid in weight loss. In this guide, we'll explore how this easy-to-make drink can become a powerful ally in your weight loss journey, helping you shed pounds quickly and effectively. What is detox water? Detox water is a beverage made by infusing water with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Unlike plain water, detox water is enriched with the natural flavors and nutrients of these ingredients, making it not only hydrating, but also beneficial for your health. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the taste of water, encouraging you to drink more, while also providing your body with essential vitamins and minerals. This refreshing drink is known for its ability to boost metabolism, aid digestion, and promote detoxification, all of which can contribute to weight loss and overall well-being. The science behind detox water and weight loss. Detox water is not just a flavorful way to stay hydrated. It carries multiple benefits that can significantly support your weight loss journey. Let's dive deeper into the science behind how detox water aids in weight loss. Boosts metabolism. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur within your body to maintain life, including converting food and drink into energy. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns more calories even at rest, which is crucial for weight loss. Here's how detox water can help boost your metabolism. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can enhance metabolic function. The citric acid in lemons helps to stimulate digestive juices and improve liver function, leading to a more efficient metabolism. Ginger. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it slightly increases your body's internal temperature, which can boost your metabolic rate. Studies have shown that ginger can enhance calorie burn and reduce feelings of hunger, contributing to weight loss. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, which helps keep you hydrated. Hydration is essential for maintaining an optimal metabolic rate. When your body is well hydrated, your metabolism can function more efficiently. By incorporating these ingredients into detox water, you provide your body with natural metabolism boosters, helping you burn calories more effectively. Suppresses appetite. Appetite suppression is a key factor in controlling food intake and promoting weight loss. Detox water can help you feel fuller and reduce cravings thanks to specific ingredients that influence hunger signals. Water. Drinking water before meals can create a sense of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake. Studies have shown that individuals who drink water before meals tend to eat fewer calories overall. Ginger. Ginger helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that can trigger hunger. It also increases feelings of satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. Mint. Mint has a calming effect on the digestive system and can reduce feelings of hunger. It helps to soothe the stomach and improve digestion, which can prevent overeating. By drinking detox water regularly, you can naturally curb your appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan and avoid overeating. Improves digestion. Good digestion is crucial for weight loss as it ensures that your body effectively absorbs nutrients and eliminates waste. Detox water can aid digestion through its ingredients. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon juice stimulates the production of digestive juices, improving digestion. Lemon water can also help with symptoms of indigestion such as bloating and heartburn. Ginger. Ginger is well known for its digestive benefit. It helps to stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, which aid in the digestion of food. Ginger can also reduce nausea and discomfort associated with poor digestion. Cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in fiber, which aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. They also help to reduce bloating and water retention, promoting a flatter stomach. Regular consumption of detox water can support your digestive system, helping to improve nutrient absorption and reduce digestive discomfort, which can aid in weight loss. Detoxifies the body. Detoxification is the process of eliminating toxins from the body. Detox water can enhance this process, leading to better health and weight loss. Cucumber. Cucumbers have diuretic properties, which means they help increase urine production. This helps to flush out toxins and excess fluids from the body, reducing bloating and water retention. Mint. Mint can help stimulate the enzymes necessary for digestion, improving the body's ability to detoxify and utilize nutrients from food. Lemon. Lemon water water acts as a mild diuretic, helping to cleanse the urinary tract and stimulate liver function. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the body, and a healthy liver is essential for effective detoxification. By drinking detox water, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping to eliminate waste products and toxins more efficiently. Enhances hydration. Proper hydration is vital for overall health and weight loss. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to function correctly. Detox water makes staying hydrated more enjoyable, encouraging you to drink more. Flavor enhancement. The natural flavors from fruits, vegetables, and herbs make water more appealing, increasing your water intake. Essential nutrients. Ingredients in detox water provide essential vitamins and minerals, which contribute to overall hydration and well-being. Staying well hydrated helps to maintain optimal bodily functions, including metabolism, digestion, and detoxification, all of which are important for weight loss. Detox water provides a multifaceted approach to weight loss by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, improving digestion, detoxifying the body, and enhancing hydration. Incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into your daily routine can help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively and enjoyably. The ultimate detox water recipe for weight loss. Detox water is easy to prepare and can be customized to suit your taste preferences and health goals. Here's a simple yet effective detox water recipe that combines the benefits of lemon, cucumber, mint, and ginger to create a refreshing and powerful drink for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 10-12 fresh mint leaves, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 liters of water. Preparation. Number 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by washing the lemon, cucumber, mint leaves, and ginger thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Number 2. Slice the lemon and cucumber. Cut the lemon and cucumber into thin slices. These slices will release their flavors and nutrients into the water. Number 3. Peel and slice the ginger. Peel the ginger root and slice it into thin pieces. Ginger adds a spicy kick to the water and has numerous health benefits. Number 4. Combine the ingredients. In a large pitcher, add the lemon slices, cucumber slices, mint leaves, and ginger slices. Number 5. Add water. Pour 2 liters of water into the pitcher, ensuring all the ingredients are submerged. You can use filtered water for the best results. Number 6. Infuse. Let the mixture sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors and nutrients to infuse into the water. For the best results, let it infuse overnight. Number 7. Enjoy. Drink the detox water throughout the day. You can refill the pitcher with water once the water level goes down until the flavor diminishes, which usually happens after about 24-48 hours. Benefits of each ingredient. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemon boosts immunity, aids digestion, and has a diuretic effect, helping to flush out toxins. Its citric acid content also helps to enhance metabolism. Cucumber, low in calories and high in water content, cucumber keeps you hydrated and promotes detoxification. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce bloating. Mint aids digestion, reduces bloating, and adds a refreshing flavor to the water. It can also help with appetite control, making it easier to manage craving. Ginger improves digestion, reduces inflammation, and boosts metabolism. It also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which can help in controlling hunger and cravings. Tips for maximizing the benefits of detox water. Number 1. Stay consistent. Make detox water a part of your daily routine. Consistency is key to seeing results. Try to drink at least 2 liters of detox water daily. Number 2. Pair with a healthy diet. While detox water can aid in weight loss, it's important to maintain a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to complement the effects of detox water. Number 3. Exercise regularly. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only burns calories but also boosts your metabolism and enhances the benefits of detox water. Number 4. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your weight loss journey. Take note of how you feel, your energy levels, and any changes in your weight and measurement. This will help you stay motivated and adjust your routine as needed. Number 5. Experiment with ingredients. Feel free to experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Some popular additions include berries, oranges, basil, and rosemary. This can keep your detox water interesting and provide a variety of health benefits. Common questions about detox water. Now let us discuss some of the commonly asked questions regarding detox water. Number 1. How often should I drink detox water? You can drink detox water throughout the day, replacing your regular water intake with it. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters, daily. Number 2. Can I use other ingredients? Absolutely. Detox water is versatile, and you can customize it based on your preferences and the benefits you seek. Some other popular ingredients include strawberries, oranges, and basil. Number 3. How long does detox water last? Detox water is best consumed within 24-48 hours. After this period, the fruits and herbs may start to break down, affecting the flavor and quality of the water. Number 4. Can I eat the fruits and herbs after drinking the water? Yes, you can. However, keep in mind that most of the nutrients will have already leached into the water. Eating the fruits and herbs can still provide some fiber and additional nutrient. Number 5. Is detox water safe for everyone? Detox water is generally safe for most people. However, if you have any medical conditions or are pregnant, it's always best to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Detox water is a simple, refreshing, and effective way to support your weight loss journey. By incorporating this delicious drink into your daily routine, you can boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and stay hydrated. Remember, while detox water can aid in weight loss, it's important to combine it with a healthy diet and regular exercise for the best results. So, why not give it a try? Start sipping your way to a healthier, slimmer you today. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.